Hi, I'm Michael Perry, gardening expert at QVC for My Garden Escape. Today, I'm going to give you my free essential gardening tips to keep your outdoor space looking good, whatever the season. So first up, watering. This is really important with your outdoor plants, especially if you're growing in patio pots. Don't assume that rainfall is going to water your plants. Very often that canopy of foliage doesn't let the water through onto the surface of the soil. So you're probably going to need to water manually. You can make life easier for yourself by setting up maybe an irrigation kit, maybe saucers beneath your plants as well. Planting things in bigger containers also works because you've got a bigger surface of soil that holds onto moisture for a little bit longer. There's also various products you can find like water retaining crystals, or you can try some little kind of store cupboard secrets, and sometimes people even line a hanging basket with a nappy, for example. Anything that retains that moisture is really important for you, especially in the height of summer. So when you're watering your indoor plants, there's a slightly different regime. In the summer, of course, they're growing quicker, they need more water. In the winter, you're going to reduce that watering right down. Now again, watering from below is probably going to be the most useful way to water your houseplants, because then they will take up exactly what they need. But make sure you're using good quality water. So if you've got hard water in your area, use bottled water or rainwater if you've got access to that. And also, think about it, don't use super cold water as well. Don't use water straight from the tap, because that is going to give your plants a little bit of shock as well. The second tip is one that you probably overlooked until now, and that is feeding. Plants are just like people. They can't survive on water alone. They need feed as well. Now, a high nitrogen feed will give you lots of foliage growth, so that is probably better for your houseplants. A high potash feed, like a tomato feed, gives you more flowers and then more fruit as well. So that is great for your outdoor plants or your fruiting plants too. Now, Flower Power is quite an icon here at QVC, and that has high levels of potash, also levels of seaweed too, which give you lush, healthy plants that give you bumper crops as well. When it comes to those outdoor plants, feeding every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season is really going to give them the boost that they need. Not just for plants in containers, but also plants in borders as well. They will really benefit from that feed. Once you start feeding, you won't look back, I guarantee it. When it comes to indoor plants, they should also be fed during the growing season, which is really the end of April through to September. So orchids, for example, we feed them every 4th watering. So every 4 weeks, we give the orchids a feed, and that is how you can get them to reflower as well. So don't neglect your houseplants when it comes to feed. They like a good buffet, just like you. And my final point is about housekeeping with your plants, so deadheading or taking away decaying foliage too. Now, with plants, it is always a good idea to take off the faded flowers. Not only does it make your plant look better, but it also encourages further blooms too. There's a number of different ways to do this, and it will vary by plant. Sometimes, if you've got singular flower heads, you might remove that stem further down, or maybe something like a dahlia, you just nip off the flower. It's a really easy, therapeutic way to garden, and it is going to give you more and more blooms. Now, when it comes to your indoor plants, it is very natural to have a little bit of browning growth at the bottom of your plants, especially things like palms, Dracaena, the dragon tree as well. Just remove that really carefully. You'll usually find that it just pulls away naturally, and your plant can then prosper. So there you go, my simple tips for success when it comes to growing plants. We've talked about watering, feeding, and housekeeping as well. If you want to find out more, why not discover My Garden Escape on the QVC website? There's loads of tips, advice, and awesome plants to buy.